Morning, guys. It is day 6 and it's 6:57 a.m. and we're on the bus. It's just, you know, our bus number 4, and we're on our way to the beach, 2 hours away somewhere. But yeah, it is freezing, and we're just, you know, very nice bus ride. Everyone's really tired, so we're all like kind of trying to sleep, just, you know, chilling. But but basically, yeah, that's really it. I'll talk to you guys when we get to the beach, I guess. We'll see what we're gonna do. The water for me, it's so blue. Oh, oh, you see, that's like really blue. Can't really say. But all right, we're on an adventure to find a bathroom. I'm scared. Everyone. Okay. There's the bathroom too. I went to the bathroom. Yeah. It's very nice. Oh, there it is. Oh, I gotta run. Oh, it's gonna fall off my bladder better bust open. Perdón. ¿Dónde están los baños? Okay. Oh, gracias, muchas gracias. Okay. Sorry, I'll be quick. Hi guys! Buenas tardes! Look at everybody! Wow, this is Bob. We are actually on a glass bottom boat, and we're on the ocean, and we're about to go snorkel. Whoa, it's a beach! Yeah, say hi guys. How y'all doing? Man, y'all so enthusiastic when I pull out the vlog. But yeah, how you feeling, Sungi? Alright! Guys, someone give me some. You wanna say something, Maddie? Besides hi. What's good? What's poppin', y'all? The subscriber for Princess, not Princess. Vlog Goddess Park.
I feel like all your vlog content is just saying what we're doing and just saying how.
Yeah, it really is.
I mean, that's all vlogs.
No.
I feel really nauseous.
What was space? Okay, never mind. I'll show you guys what we're doing later. Hey guys. sorry. Okay. Yeah. I'm sorry. I like this water. We just banana boated. Mine was not fun. Mine was fun because we fell 3 times in a row. In a row? Like consistently. And then yeah, it's okay. Mine was pretty fun. But we just got Coke. We finna eat some hamburgers. The sand is. I know. Say hi, Jono-sanim. Oh, alright.
Hello, Jojo. My name is Chunky.
There's a lot of tourists around here. No! I'll take you guys back later when we get our food. Okay, got my burger. Say hi, Jono-sanim. I got it first because I'm a freaking slow eater. Hi, guys. Yeah. Alright, bye. Hey, guys, what's poppin'? It's Vlog Goddess Park coming at you with another vlog. Hey! No! Okay. Alright, I just want to show you guys my new thing. Call me Ketchup Bae because it's gonna get on your I'm Ketchup Bae. Oh! I knew that was gonna happen. Okay. Alright, bye.
잘한다. 뭐를 잘해?
Hey guys, okay. Vlog goddess part coming at you again from the seminar room. And I'm currently gonna charge my phone. Here we go. Y'all hear those motorcycles outside, but basically, we went to the wedding. I don't know where I left off. So after the beach, another 2-hour bus ride, did not sleep. So the last 7 minutes anyways. Got back to church, took like a 5-minute shower, got ready for the wedding. Got to the wedding like 30 minutes late. We're supposed to decorate, so that took a while. And we had the wedding, and it was a little awkward because like it wasn't very like traditional, I guess, and you know, the couple was very nervous, but it was really heartwarming just to see it all happen. I wanted to cry, but I felt a little awkward, you know, like it was really funny because like the groom was supposed to like turn to say, was like, oh, you may like kiss the bride, like saying an American thing, you know, and he goes through the lips, he goes ooh, and he goes to her forehead. It was so cute, but it really warmed my heart because they're like. It's like at first like glance like they looked really upset and like, you know, like she was really pissed, but like I saw like they were like later like taking pictures and stuff, and she was so happy and he was too, and the foot washing and like saying like, you know, I promise to the kids was very heartwarming. But yeah, what else happened after that? Came back, had dinner. I was starving. It's for JB, and for those non-Korean friends of mine who may watch this, I don't know. It's like basically like, oh my, like little like flour, like it's like dough, but it's like boiled in water, and you like put it in soup and stuff. But it sounds really gross right now, but it's good. We have banchan. We really miss kimchi. Okay, I'm talking a lot, but yeah, came back, and yeah, just washed up, finna go to sleep. It is currently 11:53, and we're going to go to church tomorrow in the morning. So I'm gonna close up my vlog today. I look really shiny, but I just washed my face, I promise. Okay, good night guys, peace out, see you later, nawe, hasta luego. Okay, good night.